Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline property, and right now we'll be talking about the CSS outline offset. The CSS outline offset property adds space between an outline and the edge or border of an element. The space between an element and its outline is transparent. Once again, the CSS outline property adds space between an outline and the edge or border of an element. That is to say, the space between an element and its outline is transparent. So, how can we understand this very well? Let's say, for instance, now we are having this line inside this place. Can you see this line? I'm holding now this line. So let's say, for instance, this is our outline, but the thing that is inside here, all these things right here, let's call this our text. So if you notice very well, when I highlight this text now, there is a little white space between this line and the text. So that's what we are going to be doing with our outline offset. We want to control the space, the gap between the text, between our text and also border or whatsoever and the outline itself. I'm going to be showing you this in the next tutorial. Anwar, akorede, ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love.